You're welcome to this channel. On today's episode of Eating Healthy, we are going to be making simple, delicious flatbread with just basically 2 ingredients that you possibly have in the comfort of your home. So this flatbread is suitable from 6-month-old baby to 100 years old. So it's that simple and delicious, and the sweet thing about this is that you can make it anytime. So all you need to do is just have these 2 ingredients. Number 1 is your yogurt. You can use any yogurt of your choice, from Greek yogurt to plain yogurt, it's fine. And flour, any flour of your choice is fine. I am using grinded oat flour that I mix in a little bit of thyme and a little bit of salt to it, pinch of salt to it, and that's what I'm using for this purpose of this vlog. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss simple, healthy, delicious recipe like this. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching again. Please don't forget to try this recipe and let me know when you try that. As usual, you tag me in the comment section and you share your experience with us. Okay, so after mixing in your flour, you toss it like this. You use your spoon to mix it up, and your hand, if it's more sticky, add in a little bit of flour to to loosen it so that it's easier for you. One of the reasons why this recipe is very healthy is because of the yogurt and the flour I am using. Now you can use any flour and still make it healthy because you're using that yogurt. That yogurt is the main ingredient in this. The yogurt contains probiotic, which is very good for your gut health, and it contains also high levels of protein that you need for your fitness and your healthy lifestyle as well. So you see, it's a win-win for you. You get probiotic, you get your protein, you feed your gut with healthy things, and you still tend to remain healthy while you're eating your flatbread. Okay, so this is a little bit more sticky because I am using because I'm using oat flour. So if you use plain flour, it might not be this sticky for you, but please make sure you add much flour whenever you're making it to avoid the sticky part. Then you take your pan. There's no oil. I'm basically not using any oil for this. You take your pan and allow it to be hot a little. Then the flatbread that you roll out and cut out the shape, just start cooking. It's that simple. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and let me know when you make this recipe. Don't go yet. So there's something about this. If you want it to be a little bit thick, you make it like this, and that's fine. For my baby, I'm making this first batch that's a little bit thicker. I'm not rolling this, so that is why it's this thick. Then for the other batches that I want to roll in, I want to put in things like maybe make homemade sharwama or egg rolls and all that with it. I make sure it is much more flatter and easier for rolling as well. Then when I'm done with it, you can add in some you can top it up and brush it with butter, or if you have ghee at home, you can brush it with ghee as well. So this is it. This is how we make this, and you continue to make the other batches the same way to get your result that you want. This is the butter. I add it a little bit to give that buttery flavor, not margarine, please. I'm going to show you how to make simple homemade butter, low budget butter. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That will be posted. The next video you will see is on how to make simple homemade butter in the comfort of your home. It's just very little bit, 2-3 ingredients that you mostly always have in the comfort of your home. So if you don't want to miss out on that recipe, you see why it's good to stay to the end of the video, right? If you don't want to miss out on that recipe, so you can be enjoying a healthy butter in the house, not margarine, okay, for your heart health, to prevent cardiovascular disease and diabetes and all that result from eating unhealthy butter. Okay, so you want to stay tuned to this channel so you don't miss out on that recipe. So you see, this particular one, I make it flatter because of the rolling that I'll be filling into it is bigger, and you see I'm adding salted butter to it for that salted bread. So it's very delicious and simple to make. Please let me know when you make this in the comment section below, and don't forget to share your experience about this. Alright, until next time I come your way again, please keep eating healthy, because it's never expensive too. It is cheaper to eat healthy than more expensive to live with disease. Okay, until next time I come your way, don't forget to keep eating healthy and keep up with a good life. All right, bye for now.